mind paying for it. You can see the video. I don't mind paying for it and finishing it off. I need to take these articles from as gifting. I promise. But if I'm paying...
You won't believe it unless you see it with your own eyes. An Indian millionaire caught red-handed in one of America's busiest shopping malls. With a luxury lifestyle and shady past, the shocking truth behind his arrest will leave you speechless. Recently, security officials at a high-end shopping mall in New Jersey noticed a suspicious individual. Soon after, the police arrived and detained him, and then came the twist. The man claimed to be a millionaire entrepreneur from India. It turns out, he was on the radar of both the FBI and Interpol for multiple fraud and money laundering cases. In India, he allegedly ran a multi-level marketing company that scammed people out of crores of rupees. So how did he land up in America? Investigators believe he escaped India using fake documents, built a new identity, and lived a luxurious life until justice finally caught up with him. Experts warn that many such scam artists use luxury and social media glamour to fool the public. Flashy cars, international trips, expensive watches, all part of the illusion. This incident once again proves, never judge by what you see on the surface. Friends, stay alert. Don't fall for fake online personas. If this video helped open your eyes, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more real stories. Remember, seeing isn't always believing. This video is based on rumored or dramatized events. It is not intended to harm anyone's reputation. Created solely for awareness and educational purposes.